humanoid robotic kit that can be used with most common single-board computers that are out in the market using iPhones, giving the user the advantage of deciding the platform they want to work in, also programming on the edge of artificial intelligence and machine learning.
(2013) to 2015, this was my project. After that, I decided to move on to a bigger project. That's when I started working with Zeus. That was in 2015. Started working with Zeus. Figured, the challenge was making a biped robot. Make a robot that could walk. What is your favorite color?
Is my favorite color? Yes.
Blue?
Are you a man or woman?
My man.
Do you like to go with the flow?
Yes, I like to go with the flow. How about you?
Do you get angry a lot? I'm not sure if I would like to go with the flow of why you. What's it like?
I don't get angry a lot.
What is your real name?
Louise.
It's good to see you, Louise.
So, my thing is, I want unity to bring this robot to its full potential. Because all of us together could do a lot, and at the same time, educate our kids to be the engineers of tomorrow with AI and machine learning.
Please support our Kickstarter.